Now, I know this is not the traditional Maddie SmackDown getup that you guys are used to seeing. However, this is the first playthrough of the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game. And I was going to do this live, but I'm live on Twitch right now as I speak. This is going to be uploaded over the weekend, so I can do this special face cam. It's a whole mess of things. But yes, I am playing the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game as Leatherface. So that is going to be most interesting. And yeah, here we go. All right. So for those who aren't familiar with the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game, or the Texas Chainsaw Massacre in general, I'm not reading all this. I'm not reading the entire thing. And I probably won't wear this mask the entire time. I'm probably going to wind up sweating to death. But the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, at the time of this recording, it is August 18th, 2023. It has been 50 years to the date that the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game has come out, or Texas Chainsaw Massacre has come out. The video game released on the 50th anniversary. I think that's pretty neat. So, what we are going to do here, first I want to adjust my mask so I can actually see. Yeah, I usually don't bust this out until Halloween, but I figured, with this, adjust the brightness till the darkest symbol is barely visible. Oh, it's extremely visible. Okay, it's extremely visible no matter what. Huh. I'm making the game completely dark because I can't already see to begin with, and I feel like that's a handicap, so I'm already... Alright, here we go. Here we go, boys and girls.
April 1973. Tragedy and despair have struck Central Texas. A young college student named Maria Flores has seemingly vanished without a trace. She was last seen near the town of Newt more than 2 weeks ago. But with no physical evidence, the investigation has stalled. With few leads and even less hope, Maria's younger sister Ana Flores and a group of her closest friends set out to find their missing loved one. But any grief or sadness caused by Maria's disappearance would pale in comparison to the agony and despair they would soon discover. What awaited this group of youths was a nightmare beyond belief. The events surrounding Maria's disappearance would be just one of the many bizarre crimes later known as the Texas Chainsaw Massacre.
Chase is on from the beginning of the match. The hurt continues while you're in the menus. Oh, wow. Oh, that's loud. I'm going to make this my background. That's sick. I love it. Wow. So now, see... That's me. Kind of. That one looks a lot better. That was Johnny. Is he? Yeah, these are new characters, okay. Wow, he looks good. The cook. Good old Bubba. Just gonna scroll through and see these all of this real quick. All right, here we go. Play as a victim, play as family, join a match as either family or victim. Well, I mean, we gotta do it, don't we? We gotta do it. Mask is impeding my vision.
Part of the family now. It's up to you to secure the property and stop victims from escaping. The family's way of life depends on it. Keep all doors locked and make sure all exits are closed, trapped, or guarded. Make sure to monitor crucial pieces of equipment like generators, the fuse box, and the water valve pump. The status of these items play a huge role in whether or not victims will have an easy path to escape. Make sure to collect blood from drainage buckets scattered around the map, or by attacking victims directly. Feed this newly acquired blood to Grandpa to make him stronger and more effective. The stronger he is, the more powerful his sonar ability will become. Pretty soon he'll be finding and highlighting victims for the whole family to see. Feed Grandpa enough, and he'll give the family new abilities that can be used for the rest of the match. Remember, Grandpa is the best killer that ever was. Hunt down the victims using abilities and teamwork. Look for signs of movement and listen for noise. Pay attention to your surroundings and keep your eyes and ears open. You never know where one of those victims might be hiding. Speaking of abilities, each family member has a unique ability that can help hunt and track down victims. Careful though. Some abilities have limited quantities, while others are on a cooldown. So hunt wisely. Once you locate or find a victim, make sure you have a plan. Try to set up ambushes or catch them off guard. The direct approach isn't always the best, so use your fellow family members when possible. But once your plan unfolds and you get them within range, hit them. Then hit them again. And remember, if you do manage to successfully hit or execute a victim, take that blood to Grandpa. He's hungry and needs his strength in order to help you. Oh, don't let a single victim escape. After all, we win as a family or we lose as a family.
I love how the family put together an instructional video of how to be a psycho killer. 5 minutes? Come on. We got 5 minutes countdown, so this isn't going to be an every time thing when I stream this game, but I will tell you this: it is very hot in this mask, and I am slowly dying. This is a latex mask, and I am slowly dying. Oh. Oh, I gotta be nubbins. Is there a way to mute chat? Because... okay, let's turn that off. I don't want to hear them. I don't know how to change. Leatherface is required to start. How the fuck do we change Leatherface? Oh. Perfect. There you go. Sissy and Johnny. I think that was just set up perfectly for me that I get to play as Leatherface in the first game I ever play. We need one more person in here, or at least we need Johnny to level up or ready up. Ooh. Hopefully y'all didn't hear that. My neck had to crack. This mask, like I said, is killing me. But for you, for the fans of the Wrestling All Day podcast, and yes, this is canon. Leatherface is now canon in wrestling. He was on AEW, so I don't want to hear your shit. I do not want to hear your shit. Leatherface is canon in wrestling now. I don't want to talk about the Japanese Leatherface either. I'm talking about that motherfucker right there on your screen. That's canon. That is full 100% canon. Leatherface is now an official AEW member. I don't know if it's official, but it is now wrestling. Texas Chainsaw Massacre is now wrestling related. So yes, you're going to be seeing a lot of Texas Chainsaw Massacre on here now. 30 seconds, Johnny. Oh, you read it up, okay. We're still waiting for a fourth victim. And what did you on ready up for, lady? Why are we all on readying up? What are we doing? Got 15 seconds before the game starts. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? I didn't put this on for no reason. We're getting a fucking match. We are getting ourselves a match here. It's happening. I didn't gear up like this for nothing. Hail to the no. The only reason I disabled voice chat is because I don't want to have to hear these people. I don't want to hear what the hell they have to say. Because if they say something that's going to get me flagged on YouTube, then I'm out of a video, and then I did this for nothing. There were... Why did it not... I don't understand why it just didn't load us in with all those... It was 3-on-3. That's fair. Do we have to have everybody? Like, does it have to be 4-on-3? Because that's pretty stupid if we do. Leatherface chainsaw will overheat if it's read for too long. I ain't gotta have that problem. No, that's a sad thing. That's a good thing. Chickens and bone chimes make noise no matter who triggers them. Watch where you're going if you want to sneak up on victims. All right, I guess I'll be. Cool. All right, we got 7 out of 7. Now we just gotta wait for everybody to ready up. I'll be the cook. I'm cool with that. Really want it to be Leatherface because, you know. But it is what it is, as the kids say. I'm gonna need everybody to ready up because if it kicks me out of this game again, I'm gonna be very upset. Also, R.I.P. Gunnar Hansen and Jim Seidow, Cook and Leatherface, of course. So, rest in peace to them. Hopefully, I do you proud as your character in a video game that you are not around to see. But yeah, I feel like this is going to be something fun. The Friday the 13th game was fun, so hopefully this one lives up to it. Did I unplug something? No. Hopefully this lives up to it, and hopefully this lives up to the expectations that are needed to be a successful video game. Because the Friday the 13th game was great, and then everything happened. The lawsuits happened. It was a nightmare. They stopped putting out content. We never got the Jason X map. Or the Grundle map. We never got Jason X or Uber Jason, whatever the fuck he was called. So hopefully for this game we get more, like, I know it's based off the first movie, but I hope we get more characters from the other movies. Like if we can get Matthew McConaughey going boo as he falls off the roof, you know what I mean? Like that'd be pretty cool. Or if we can get like I don't know. I'm assuming it would cost a lot of money to get the rights to all those people. So maybe not, but down the line, it'd be pretty cool to see something like that. 36 seconds. If it kicks me out of this game again, I'm gonna be so pissed off. Don't you want ready up now, Leatherface, son of a bitch? Alright. Next match in 15 seconds. It's showtime.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas.
The game crashed. The game just crashed. The game just crashed. Are you fucking kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? We're off to a great start. You're off to a fantastic start with Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game. I'm not smelling like latex for nothing. I'm getting one fucking game in. We're getting one game in, and that's it. I'm done. I'm done with this for the rest of the day. I am over it. Get one game in. We're going to try this again. Just I'm not asking for much. I'm really not asking for much. We are sitting here again. How y'all doing on this fine Friday afternoon? I do think it's pretty cool that they waited until August 18th, the 50th anniversary of the release of the movie, to release a video game. I think that's pretty cool. So big shouts out to them. And it's the thing, people at Gun Media, they're big fans. You know what I mean? They're not just, oh, let's just take the game and make a game. No, they actually put time and effort into it. They did fantastic with the Friday the 13th video game. Fantastic. They did amazing with the Friday the 13th video game. And then everything just went to shit. Lawsuit happened. They started losing the rights to all the stuff, and then unfortunately now the game's going to get shut down in December. So hopefully this game lasts a lifetime, and hopefully this game doesn't get shut down by a bunch of lawsuits and all that good stuff. So hopefully we have a decent outing, so to speak, with this game, because I love Texas Chainsaw Massacre. As corny as all of those movies are, I love the Texas Chainsaw Massacre. One of my all-time, the original one's one of my all-time favorite horror movies. Everything that followed it, and the 67 timelines that exist, maybe you're not a big fan of. I'm a fan of the kills done in all the movies because they're cool. But I'm not a fan of like the 2017 Leatherface movie, the new Texas Chainsaw. I'm not a fan of, especially with the whole scene when the guy's on the bus. He goes, try anything, you don't get cancer, bro. Like, come on. We're not gonna have enough players. Cosmetics for that, that's cool. We're gonna try this with Johnny again. I can't believe my game crashed, dude. That pissed me off. I cannot believe my game crashed like that. That was ridiculous. Any day now. Any day now. Microphone on? No. Okay. I really don't want this first playthrough video to just be me complaining about the game crashing and all that stuff. Come on, level up Connie and level up Johnny. Connie and Johnny, Johnny, Connie. Come on! We ain't got all fucking day here. Gotta give him a little bit of this, a little bit of pizzazz. Oh, here we go.
The search continues in Muerto County for a missing University of Texas student. The Sheriff's Department says Maria Flores, a native of Uvalde, was last seen near the town of Newt. Her vehicle was recently discovered abandoned, with officials reporting no signs of foul play. Authorities are hopeful that the expanded search into the nearby Morrow and Chinatown will unearth new leads. Family and friends are urging.
Did they get loose on us? Oh, dang it. Should have strung them up better.
I don't like the controller vibrating all the time, though. That's pretty nice. Yeah, the controller constantly vibrating. I do not like that. It's like an area of interest or something. HHH? Triple H? It's all about the game and how you play it? Oh, they're tally marks? No, they're not. I don't know. As far as Leatherface, okay. This guy runs like a fucking freak. Unlocking it open. What the? What the hell? Uh-oh.
Whoa. Why I gotta do everything in this family? Grandpa taught me this little trick.
His voice is ridiculous. Grandpa's in danger. Oh no! What? How the fuck do I get inside the house to save Grandpa? Did I step in my own trap? I did. Son of a bitch. I did. I stepped right in my own fucking trap.
Somebody around here has to catch him.
No! Close the door! Close the door, Nubbins! Good boy. Alright. Don't turn it on! Fuck do I get inside the house? Leatherface is required for that. I haven't heard a single chainsaw yet. I sprint?
Huh.
Oh, I can sprint. Sick!
I know Grandpa thinks I'm the best. The best.
There, okay. Sensitivity is up really high. Oh, jeez! Where the hell is Leatherface at? What the hell? It did take me like...
Too bad Grandpa ain't me.
It did take me 10 minutes to figure out how to get to the fucking thing. This was on me. And how do I stand up now? God damn it, all I want to do is play Leatherface.
You folks don't know who you're messing with. Nobody ever gets away from me. How you make those weird-ass traps yours, anyway?
Yeah, I gotta feed Grandpa blood. I gotta bust his blood.
All you need's a little blood. Perk you right up.
Oh God. Grandpa's hungry again. What a fucking fat fuck.
Grandma was better than my two dang brothers.
I just gave him blood. How much blood does this son of a bitch need? Sorry, Grandpa. I didn't mean to call you the son of a bitch. There's Leatherface. There's Johnny. Oh God. The blood. Come on.
Snared one.
Oh, they must have seen him. Disconnected. Disconnected. This game definitely had a lot of problems. Not a big fan of the constant crashing and disconnecting. Not gonna lie about that. Hurt him. Oh, those might have been the people who were escaped. They might have disconnected. Okay, that makes sense. Can I go back through the door once it closes? Ain't that about a bitch? Go back where I started. I'm waiting there, bitch. Alright. Yeah, I'm back where I fucking started. Okay. Fucked up. That's Johnny down there. Damn it. My thing's going fucking crazy. There's gotta be somebody nearby.
Huh.
My vibration is going fucking insane. Oh, no, he escaped. That's it. Oh, that's cool. Yeah, it's gonna take some time getting the hang of it. Definitely gonna take some time getting the hang of it. Woo, we leveled up! Yeah, we killed nobody. Oh, yeah, I don't know. Yeah, it's gonna take some time getting used to. We'll probably run through and do a couple private matches later, me and my buddies. So, you know what? We'll do one more. I want to play as a victim, and then
You've been captured by the Slaughter family, tied up, tortured, and left for dead. You must do whatever it takes to escape the family's property at all costs. Find your friends, hunt for life-saving items like tools, bone scrap, and health. But more importantly, locate and open up escape routes before it's too late. The family is hunting, so move quietly and make the right decisions. Your life depends on it. Stay quiet and hidden. Move slowly and carefully to avoid making excessive noise. Use shadows and tall foliage to stay hidden. Take cover behind tall objects to break line of sight. And last but not least, use the environment to your advantage. Wall gaps, crawl spaces, and unique hiding spots like freezers, armoires, and even vehicle trunks can be used to evade the family. Use them. Watch out for objects that make noise. Moving too fast through the environment can spell disaster. Searching for items slowly will drastically increase your chance of survival.
Yeah,
Even
they get
moving
hurt.
too
Dump
fast
truck.
through
Y'all see
doors
that? That
can
was
give away
crazy.
your location. So stay calm and move quietly. The family is always listening. Find useful items. Tools can be used to break locks on doors. Health items can heal you, while bone scrap can be used to sneak attack, or even confront the family directly. These items can mean the difference between life and death. You can only carry 2 items at a time, so choose wisely and try to plan ahead. Unlock exits. The heavy metal doors almost always lead out of the basement. Find and open them. Once upstairs, keep moving if possible. There are multiple escape routes located on the outer edges of the property, so find a way to open them. Some escape objectives like the fuse box and water valve pump require specific items to activate them. These items can be found scattered around the property. Be on the lookout. Escape the family. Having trouble finding an escape option? When in doubt, head towards the main road or rear gate. Those are usually the easiest option, if you can get there. The water valve gate and the basement door exits are also available options if you can find the necessary parts to activate them. The basement door requires you to find and repair the fuse box, while the water valve gate needs the pressure valve handle to open. Once fixed, the escapes will open up for you and your team. Use your abilities to stay alive. Used at the right time, they can mean the difference between life and death. Be careful though. Star sign abilities have a cooldown that will prevent overuse, so plan wisely. Remember, you have been captured, beaten, and tortured, so your injuries are severe. You need to escape before you succumb to your wounds. As the match continues, you will start to bleed out more and more. Be wary of leaving blood trails behind. You can be tracked. Health items can slow this process, but you can't stop it. Escape is the only option. Finding fellow victims and working together is recommended, but not required. Grouping with teammates can have a multitude of advantages, but your total noise output might also increase. Choose your strategy wisely. The only question is, who will survive, and what will be left of them?
Haha, that's what the poster says. That's what the poster says. It's right there. That's what's right there. You guys can't see it, but that's what the poster says. All right, so we are drop something. We are doing this. Guess I'll play as villian. That's cool. I should have did this first. I didn't even think about doing this. Playing as the. I just wanted to get in there and play as the family. I didn't even think about playing as the people first, so I can be able to like escape and actually figure out how to play this game. I kind of just went right into it without knowing anything. My bad. We all learn from our mistakes. Yeah, Leatherface starts in the basement, so I swear to God, I hope I don't start in the basement. I'll fucking just throw it. I'll throw it immediately just for the content. I want to watch somebody. I really want to watch somebody get cut in half. I know that's going to sound really bad, but I really want to see somebody get cut in half. We've been at the gas station, so I don't think I'm going to spawn in the basement. We're doing this now. Level up, Sonny. Ready up, boy. Ready up, sissy. What are you doing? Ready up, Johnny. What are you doing, boy? I like how they just barely look like the characters that were in the first one. Again, I'm going to check my regular watch. I am dying. It is so hot in this mask. I'm going to smell like latex for the next month. I hate the smell of latex, but I love this mask. Alright. Ready up, Sonny! Or not. Or not. That's cool. That's cool. Sit here and wait all day. 30 seconds. I was gonna say ready up. Oh, now you're ready up.
The brutal attack on 3 female college students in Pflugerville, Texas last year is back in the public spotlight. Pflugerville citizens are in an uproar demanding answers from Texas state officials on why no arrests have been made in the case. Reports say an unidentified man entered the home in the middle of the night, viciously strangling one female to death before attempting to stab.
What the hell happened?
This looks safe. It'll help.
Jeez. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, Jesus Christ. This is...
How do we get out of here? Think.
I have to find the others.
Throw in my face, bitch. What's wrong with you?
Can I get through here?
I can get through.
Oh, God!
Yes, I can use that.
No! Oh, jeez. Fucking A, dude. Dude, this is nerve-wracking.
Keeping this.
I thought it was cooked shit. I got scared.
Ay, Madre de Dios. Please, protect us. Please.
If I make too much noise, I'll just run from them. Run away from the my teammates. Or something that would make no sense. Oh shit! That wasn't me. That couldn't have been me.
This is awful. What do we have here?
Probably a door here somewhere. Fuck. Oh, that was in the light. Shit!
Shit, quiet.
Save you after all.
She's gonna set it off no matter what.
What the hell is wrong with these people?
They're behind me.
Okay, now, where's this go?
Get the fuck out of here, lady. Oh shit! Go, 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 go!
Locked. Can I use this?
Oh shit! I didn't even see him! Fuck! Come on, bitch! Oh! Oh, bitch! Oh God! Fuck, they're both on me! Ah shit! Ah shit! Sprint! Oh, I'm dead. Oh! Oh God! Oh my God! Crazy bitch! I don't know how those people escaped from the basement. I have no idea. I might as well stick around to see what happens.
Gotta get the hell out of here.
I think I got too cocky and too confident, and I fucked myself. It said keep still to avoid detection by Grandpa, and Johnny came around with like, and I couldn't do nothing. I said, oh shit. Oh shit. Because they're being highlighted right now because they're not sitting still. That's how he knew where. Same spot I got caught, lady. Be careful. Oh, he's being chased. He's being chased down. She's on his ass like flies on shit.
How does that feel?
Oh, the same execution? Oh God! Same execution. Get out of there, Anna! It's locked! Get the fuck out of there! Oh, they're looking for you! Oh, they're looking for you! Oh. Shit, I wish I would have did that.
Please, God. Please.
There it is. Woo! I got an achievement. Get your first unlockable. Alrighty, there we go. That's what I like to see. That was decent. Alrighty. Ladies and germs, boys and girls, that was the Texas Chainsaw Massacre video game, and before I sweat to death anymore, sorry you guys have to see this. Woo! What a game. That is fun. So we're going to play that a lot more. And again, like I said, Leatherface is canon now. Leatherface is 100% wrestling canon. He was on AEW, what is today? Friday. He was on AEW on Wednesday. It's canon. So again, if you like what you see here from the Wrestling All Day podcast, thank you so much for joining us again, by the way. We really appreciate it. Consider subscribing. Leave us a like. Leave us a comment. Tell me what you want to see in the near future. A lot of cool stuff coming up in the next month. This is a spur-of-the-moment thing. I'm glad I got to do it. So, with that in mind, for the Wrestling All Day podcast, before we have the SmackDown, I'll catch y'all for the next one. I'm out of here.